Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a pack with me for Thailand, and today I'm just going to be laying out everything that I want to take on my bed here and then trying to narrow it down basically, because I'm taking a 40-litre backpack, so I know that I probably won't be able to fit in everything that I want to take. I know that to some this would be quite minimalist and to some this will be too much to take. I'm going for just over 2 weeks, so I think I will be able to get an amount that I'm comfortable with taking with me, and I also know that anything that I basically want or I forget I can pick up when I'm over there anyway. So I just thought this would be a good video idea in case anybody else is wanting any travel inspiration, or they're just nosy like me and just going to figure out the kind of things that I'll need to be taking, because I want to do this a few days in advance, because I definitely know that I'll forget some bits, and make sure that everything that I want to take is out of the wash as well. So without further ado, let's just get on with the video. Okay, so here I have my backpack. This is a 40-litre one. I think it's by Quechua. I don't know how you pronounce that, but that's what it looks like there. And I really like this one because it's got a lot of properties which I look for. You can buckle it at the hips and at the chest. This is specifically made a bit thinner for women's bodies. It's got air circulation at the back, a little pocket up there at the top, and it's got pockets at the sides where your hips will be, a little waterproof pouch down at the bottom. It zips all the way down, so it kind of opens up like a suitcase. You can of course strap it across the front there, clip things onto the bottom. It's got a pocket here where you can put like shoes and stuff. And then inside, I will unzip it. It looks like this. It's got another little pocket there. You can obviously tighten it here. And it just looks like that inside. You'll be able to get everything pretty easily. I'm not taking packing cubes. I was thinking about it, but I decided against it because my backpack opens up so low down essentially, so I think I'll be able to get to everything that I need. So now I will just get on with everything that's going inside. I obviously can't pack absolutely everything because I'm not leaving for another few days, so this is just the kind of stuff that I won't need for a few days. The first thing I'm going to do is pack this Toiletries bag. Ideally I would like a smaller one, but I don't have a smaller one, so I'm just going to pack it with toiletries and first aid and things like that all kind of mixed up together. So that is what I'm going to do first. I'm going to put my Batiste in, my travel detergent, got some Nivea Rich Moisture Soft, oh it's not even focused, and then I've got some Soleil Moisturising After Sun Lotion in case I get burnt, my travel toothbrush in its wee case. I've just picked up some deodorant wipes from Tiger just in case I need a wipe or anything. Got some frizzies. I'm going to take this out of the box, and a toothbrush which I'm also going to take out of the box right now. Toothpaste, not toothbrush. This is just what the little frizzies looks like. It's really cute. I think it's only 5 mils, yeah. So that will just be good enough for the humidity and everything that I will be combating. I'll just pop that in there and take my toothbrush out of the box to save space as well. Toothpaste, and it just looks like that. Then I have just some little bits for like a first aid kit. I've got my insect repellent, I've got a variety of different size plasters, I've got lots and lots of Calpol 6 Plus sachets in case I get a headache or stomach pains or something, and I've got 6 little tablets of Imodium just in case, and I will pop that in here as well. I also need to put in some itch cream and some Savlon on the recommendations of my mother. But that is what it looks like. It's about half full at the minute, and I think I'll find some other stuff to put it in. Ideally, like I said, it would be a bit smaller, and I thought I had smaller bags, but it turns out I don't. So this will have to do. I'm also going to pop my deodorant in there. I bought a new one just so I wouldn't run out. It's just the Dove Maximum Protection, and take that out of the box, and I'll pop that in the bag as well. So I've made a packing list here. As you can see, I've ticked off some of the things. I've also got my cank in there, which is going to be like a day bag. I've got a tote bag for dirty laundry or wet things that I need to take, or any shopping that I do. And then further up there, I've got one swimsuit and 2 bikinis. I don't know if I should bring another bikini or not. I haven't quite made up my mind about that yet, but so far it's 3, 1 swimsuit, 2 bikinis, 3 pairs of socks there at the back. I don't even know if I'll use those, because as you can see, I packed a pair of flip-flops and a sort of trekkie, sandally type thing. I didn't really want to take trainers when you would need to take shoes on and off all the time, and these seem like they've got a good enough grip. So I think I'm just going to take those, but I might change my mind last minute. So I've got 3 pairs of socks, 7 pairs of pants, because I'm just going to wash them. Like, obviously I'm not going to take 14 pairs of pants. And I've got 4 pairs of bralettes. I've just got a little notebook there for writing stuff down, and 2 pens there. I've got my passport, 2 pairs of pyjamas, 1 is a nightie, and I would pack a pair of short pyjamas, but I don't actually own a pair of short pyjamas, so the second pair will probably be too warm, but I didn't just want to take 1 pair. And I've got some sun cream, which I think I'm going to put in that bag actually, a hat, a razor, which I will also put in this bag on second thoughts, some earplugs, my adapter, another bag to put like makeup and toiletries and things in, a book, my microfiber towel, some money. I think I want to take some money and then use my card for the other time, because I'm scared that I will get robbed. 4 pairs of baubles in case my baubles snap or I want to use them for something else, and this little waterproof pouch. And I think I'll take this out of the packaging before I pack it as well. So that is everything on the bed right now. Obviously I don't have actual clothes that I'm packing yet, so this is just what we're dealing with so far. So I have packed away most of the things that were on the bed into the bag, as you can see there. I've just added a couple of bits. I think I'm going to bring a hairband just for the days where my hair is just not cooperating, although I think most days I'm either going to plait it or put it up in a bun anyway. And I've brought 1 book, but I also thought I would bring this just to look at on the plane, and I thought it would kind of get me more excited if I brought that. And I've got space so far, so I think I'm going to take this as well as my just like fiction book. Obviously packing my cankin now as well as this, because this is checked baggage and this is my hand luggage essentially down there. And I've still got this out. I think I'm going to keep it out until it's full, although it's getting quite heavy, so I don't want to put it at the top of my bag. This one is still empty, so I think I'm going to fill this with makeup, but makeup isn't getting added until like the very last, basically, obviously. Obviously I've still got to add things like chargers at the very last minute. I've got a little check off list of things to do here. But the next thing that I have done is decided what clothes I'm going to take. Sorry, you're all the way down there. I'm essentially going to take a week's worth of clothes about, and then I've got my travel detergent, and that should be enough to last me just over the 2 weeks. And everything I can pretty much mix and match. I've got stuff for the different types of weather, because it's going to be like 30 degrees but also thunderstorms. And oh my god, shut up. So I also have some more stuff to be more covered up because we're going to a couple of temples and you can't show your shoulders or your knees, I believe. So I've got a couple of options there. And then if I forget anything, I can pick it up over there, and I do want to pick up a couple of clothing bits, I think, while I'm over there. So I think that's enough for now. I'll just show you what clothing bits I have picked up. So this is all my bottoms and my dresses and my playsuits. Got a dress over there, a pair of leggings for like travel or if it gets cold. I think I'm going to wear those leggings on the plane. And then a pair of culottes. Those are the ones that I think I'm going to wear to the temple. Just a plain playsuit. A long dress which covers my knees but it doesn't cover my shoulders, so I suppose I could wear that to a temple if I just put on like a shirt or a sarong or a t-shirt underneath or something. A pair of shorts which I think I'm going to wear for pyjamas, so I've taken out the pyjama leggings that were in there and I think I'm just going to use those for pyjama shorts, or if it gets colder I can just use those leggings instead of the pyjama ones. Two pairs of shorts that are essentially the same but different patterns. I got them from Primark, and one pair of denim ones. I didn't want to take more than one pair of denim shorts because I will get quite warm. So this is all the bottoms that I'm taking, so that should last me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, and then the leggings for travel or nighttime or whatever. And over here I have the tops. I think I'm going to take a wide range of colours over here. I basically have 2 t-shirts down here, one grey one and one white one with some graphic on it. I have a pink high neck halter neck style vest top, a spaghetti strap black one from Primark, and a little pink Alessi boob tube. And I think that all of these will pair nicely with the stuff that I have over there. I think the colours and everything will go quite well. They're all quite neutral colours, so I'm happy with my decisions so far. I think I'm also going to take this shirt that I'm wearing either as a t-shirt, or I can layer it with the long dress or the boob tube if I want to be a bit more covered up. It doesn't take up too much space, and I think I've got time to wash this before I go as well, because it is the 28th of August today and I leave on the 2nd of September. So I think I can wear this and still get away with washing it. Either that or I can just take it dirty and wash it when I get there. So I'm going to take this shirt as well. I think that's all the clothing options I'm going to take. I've already packed my swimwear, my pyjamas and my underwear. I've already shown you what shoes I think I'm going to take, so I think that's everything that I've got to update you on right now. I don't think I'm going to pack away the clothes right now. I think I'm going to get my mum to double check just because I'm a bit scared that I've forgotten something. So they're just all laid out on the floor right now, and then I will pack them away in the suitcase once my mum has seen everything that I've packed. And then I think that's everything that I can pack right now, because the other things that I have left to pack are stuff that I will use between now and the trip, if that makes sense, like the chargers and everything else that I mentioned. I still need to print off my documents like my travel insurance, my flight details and things like that, because I want to take a photocopy of everything, and I will print that out and put that in my hand luggage in my Kanken. So I think that's everything that I'm doing right now, so I will see you again when something more interesting happens. So yes, I changed my bed sheets. It's the next day now, but we're going to move past that. I've got all the clothes that I showed you before and the rest of my bits, and I'm going to put them in the backpack now, I think, and everything else that is to go in is just stuff that I can't put in yet. It's like last minute stuff. I think I'm going to do that, and then tonight I will also remember to print out my documents, pop them in my hand luggage, and then I think I will get back to you once I've done that. I might need to unpack and repack my bag a couple of times once I've figured out absolutely everything. I might need something at the bottom that needs to go at the front or whatever, but I'm going to pop my clothes and everything in the bag, and that's where we're at right now. So apologies if the room is a bit dark. The sun has just started to set, so I've turned the light on, but basically I've laid my outfit out for tomorrow. I go tomorrow and my outfit for tomorrow is down there. And I've got my birthday presents there. I'm going to do what I got for my birthday when I get back. Everything is charging down there, just a couple of bits that I need to charge and bits that I need to charge there. Watching some YouTube while I wait. And I just wanted to update you on a final few things before I move everything away and for the final time. So basically, I've printed out my travel documents and they're in my hand luggage there. I've just got my cleansing balm and a flannel in here. I thought I would pop it in its own separate little case because it obviously will get a bit wet. And I have a couple of things I'm going to add to my toiletries bag. One is itch cream, the others are Savlon and just some Compeed. This is my makeup bag. It's not that big, it's just got a moisturising primer, a concealer, a foundation, powder, bronzer and a mascara, and I think that's everything I'm going to take for makeup. I probably even won't wear any at all. I've just unpacked my clothes again to make sure that I get all the heavy bits at the bottom, so my shoes, my towel and everything at the bottom there. This is just the clothes that you've seen before that I'm just going to repack at the top. And then in my hand luggage, I've just got things like a face mask to do on the plane, my boarding passes and all my travel documents, a little notebook, my couple of books, my purses and my chargers, some tissues and wipes, hat, a pack of Mac, and I'm sure there's some other stuff in there as well, and my passport, can't forget that. And I've also just laid out my hairbrush because obviously I need to brush my hair tomorrow, but I don't want to forget it. And I think that's everything. I'm just going to end this vlog here, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment anything you want to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.